Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making a miter saw jig for tapering legs. It's a quick and easy project, and here I'm going to make it out of scrap wood. First thing I'm going to do is square up all the scrap wood that I need for the jig. The jig is basically made out of three parts: the base, the back cleat, which is going to be used to clamp the jig to the miter saw, and then there's going to be a brace that's going to be right angled to the back cleat. To attach the brace, mark a right angle to the back cleat and then glue it, and if you want you can also screw it together. Once the glue has dried, you can strengthen the joints if you want with screws. Just be careful on the placement of the screws. You don't want the miter saw blade hitting the screws. For my legs, I'm doing a 12-degree angle, going up 3 inches on the leg. Going to use the back cleat to clamp the jig to the miter saw, and then I'm going to clamp the leg to the brace. Once everything's secured, you can safely cut the tapers on the leg. With the jig still attached to the miter saw, you can now make the cuts on the remaining legs, and it's going to give you consistent tapers on all your legs. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, and if you want, please share this video on other social media. Thanks a lot.